Hi, this is Judy in the embroidery department at Kaizink, and today I just want to show you a quick helpful tip. I have this large flag that I'm working on. It's about 4 by 8 feet, and I have rehooped it here. I'm already done sewing it, but I just rehooped it to show you what it looked like when it was in the hoop. And the issue that you run into when you're working on something this large is this fabric in the back behind here, especially when you get down towards the bottom. You have to make sure that this fabric stays up and out of the way, and that it doesn't start creeping underneath your needle. It will, if you don't hold it back there, sometimes find its way back underneath, and you'll end up sewing the flag to itself. So that's something that you want to be careful about. And how can you hold it back there without somebody standing behind the machine and holding that fabric up out of the way? Well, what I came up with is to use elastic bands. They're kind of like suspenders. Here they just have a clip on the end, suspenders, and I hooked it just around this bar and then hooked it to the flag. I used a little bit of backer here to protect the flag, and I'm going to just clip it right onto the back of that flag. And since it's elastic, it'll have enough room to move around, and it won't hold it too tight, and it can slide back and forth on this bar. So it's not going to hold it so tight that it'll pull it out of the hoop, but it will keep it back out of the way. So I hope this helps if you're working on something large. Thanks for watching.